So we have Jose CRV back on the channel. But in today's video, look at him. Well, you got your uniform on if you're not working today, bro.
Be quiet, bro.
Hey. Alright, so we're gonna be doing the air suspension on his car today. As you see, he copied me. He got a white tank like me, trying to be like me. And like always, fly air. He's already taken this part apart, taking this side apart, so we can run the lines through this side. We're gonna run both lines through this side into the engine bay, and then out to the wheel well. Now I have to see if this jacks up this car, because if not, that's gonna be a problem. So let's see. So that's how high as ¿cómo que se dice?
How high is it can go?
That's how whatever he said. That's how high it can go. Yeah, that shit me comió loco. But we have clearance, so I guess we can still remove the tire. Or if anything, we can use a piece of wood. Put it under there, jack it up, then we can put the jack stands. So let's do that. That's all he can say, that he did something. Yeah. Yeah, you're not doing nothing else? Can't even do that. Bro, la va a tumbar. Oh my God. You need to get the top hat from your stock shop. Put it there. It has this little spacer. The spacer, I left it on there, I don't know. To me, it's common sense that we leave it there because when we put the top hat on, it covers the dampener. This is the dampener right here, this thing. This thing.
Diablo.
So, yeah. With the spacer, the top hat sits like this. As you see right there. Está grabando, eso no está viendo para allá. I don't know.
Loco, este carro está sucio, loco.
But yeah, you guys get it. You guys get the memo. Let me see. And here, for the front, you just gotta remove this brake line. That's a 10. No, I think it's a 13. This one's a 10. Remove this clip. Remove this. This is like a 14, I think it is. Then a 17. Where is it? Right here. 17 right there. I think it's a 17. Then you get these three out. I don't know this one yet. I haven't loosened this one up, but I already got that one. I already got everything loose. Now we just gotta run the lines. He's gonna run the lines. He's gonna learn while I put the struts in. I already got everything loose, so we're good to go. Already got the inside taken apart. We're gonna figure out then where we're gonna run all that. So let me do this, then I'll catch you guys later. So here for the rear struts, all you gotta do is that bolt. There is another one right there. This bolt right here, which is a 17, right?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, it's a 17. Then you remove this end link from here. I think this is a 14, 13, something like that. Then you remove this one. From there, this goes down. You can get the spring out. And that's it. As easy as that. Update. We already got the fronts in. I'm adjusting this side. This side's already done. Back here, we just have to put the bags. We still don't know where we're gonna run the lines through for the rear suspension. We still gotta put everything back here, but it's easy because he has music, so he already has the power in the ground right here. So all we gotta do is connect everything there, run the remote and stuff to the front, and then that's it. So, but I'm gonna do this quick. I'm gonna do this in I'm gonna let you guys know what I'm gonna do in 3 seconds. And with 3 seconds, I'll air out this this CRV. I'll bet you guys anything you guys want that whenever I count to 3, the CRV is gonna go psst. So at the count of 3, right? 1, 2, and 3. So that's officially aired out. First time airing it out. We gotta adjust the rears. They're high. I knew that was gonna happen because we measured it with the stock one. So yeah, we have to adjust that. Then we are done, pretty much. Look at this guy. Hey. She's officially on the floor. Second try. We already lowered the rear. Now let's see. Let's see. Da-dun, da-dun, da-dun. Still high. Perfect there. That's where you want it. All right. That's where the owner wants it. So.
¿Tú lo quieres bajar más?